Hi, I'm Craig McLeod and welcome to Drift My Ride. Today we've got Lewis Rennie and his E36 compact with a 2.5 conversion. As well as drift competitions, supercar experiences and drift practice days at Driftland, customers have the opportunity to organise their own weekday private hires. Whether it's testing a new build, wanting to get out on track with your mates, or even practice a particular competition layout, the private hire is perfect for circuit drivers and drifters alike. One of the advantages of a private hire is the track is generally open with no waiting for the duration of your hire, meaning the only thing stopping you are the amount of fuel and tyres you brought and the amount of energy you have left to keep drifting. Because you can change the track layout as many times as you like during a private hire, it means everyone gets a chance to do their favourite layouts, both clockwise and anti-clockwise. And because of the small groups, there's always great banter in the pits, meaning you end up making some new drift friends along the way. If you fancy getting involved in a private hire at Driftland, check out the information in this video's description. Thanks for coming along.
Thanks for having me, man.
No, it's no problem. Now you've got like a really nice little 36 you've brought.
Yeah, it's a lot better than my last one anyway.
Yeah. The last one was, I heard a little bit of a dog.
I was a big dog, and now it's a dead dog.
Would it blow engine?
I blew the stack out about 3 times and then walked ahead on it, and then it's just, that's the end of it.
Yeah. And then, so you got rid of that. Well, we haven't got rid of it. It's still sitting there, isn't it?
It's a garden ornament now, I think.
And you've decided to upgrade.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
And it's a really well sorted thing. So do you want to just tell us about what's been done to it?
What's been done? It's, as far as E36 compacts goes, it's relatively clean. M52 B25 conversion in it.
So that's the 2.5 one.
Standard engine wise, it's got a remarked ECU, it's not got any mad induction kits or anything else like that.
Nothing crazy, just reliable.
Reliable, yeah, because my last car, the engine was good, but it was forever having problems with it. So I'd go adrift to get 8 laps and then the thing would blow up. This is just try to keep it as reliable as possible and get as much seat time as possible.
Yeah. And I can see like there's loads of sort of really nice, like even like all the things you touch in here are nice. Like the wheel is a really nice little sparkle number.
Yeah.
The PMC shifter things, these are great as well, aren't they?
It makes so much difference, especially when you're like downshifting or shifting up.
You've got a hydro here from Everly Garage, which used to be.
It used to belong to Callum Marshall. Callum kindly donated that to me because I was fed up with having a tiny wee handle. Just asked him for some advice where I could get one, and then he was like, "Oh, I've got one. You want it? Sweet." So he was very kind of him to do that. So the guys at Everly Garage have been brand new. They've really looked after us with the cars and stuff.
So the guys at Everly Garage have done quite a lot of the little bits and bobs with this.
I pretty much bought it as is, and without the seat obviously. But we had a bit of a nightmare last night before we had a private day this morning. Had a fuel leak, so I had to take it up at like 9 o'clock last night. It's not exactly what you're wanting the night before a drift day.
Yeah, you don't really also want fuel spilling out when you're driving around.
Especially when you've just fired about 60 pounds in it and it's falling at the bottom of it.
You've been doing a private hire today, haven't you?
I have. It's been Team Crashes. Bryony organised that, so I got in contact with her, and we brought the 2 cars along and had a blast. Yeah.
So your folks have got a car as well.
My parents have got a car and that. Yeah. The whole drifting campaign actually started as a Christmas present for me and my dad, but sharing a car with anybody is a nightmare. Especially your dad. It's brutal. So for the family dynamic, you decided that you would go out another car. It just wasn't healthy. It wasn't a healthy relationship. But no, it's all good. We've got 2 really good cars and that, and we're getting there and having a blast. So that's what drifting's all about. So
no, it totally is. So you've not done work to suspension, but you've got decent coilovers on here.
Yeah. I've got HSD monopros, 7K springs to the front, 9 on the back. It's solid. It doesn't move. I heard it was cocking a leg earlier on today, which has never done that before. So
you've also gone, instead of going for the 46 bottom arms, you've gone and got the extended A36 ones. How much were they extended?
Extended by 50mm. They came on the car when I bought it.
Because you get more lock out of these because you don't have the same amount of webbing.
So you get more movement and stuff. So yeah, it works absolutely brilliantly. holds the corners like nothing else. So.
And they're combined with a set of Lalifab?
Lalifab hubs, yeah, brilliant. I had Youngie hubs on my last car, and they worked brilliantly. Like I say, it came with these, and it's worked absolutely perfectly, so I'm not wanting to start mucking about with it if it works.
So you've got a nice package of a car that works, so why change things?
Why change it?
The other thing that in this car, and I've not seen quite as much of it, is the amount of like strut braces and things like that in here. So you've got one on the front,
and
one in the rear
brace
here as well, but you've got it underneath as well.
Yeah, I've got an E36 Vert, I believe it's a cross brace. They put them on the convertibles to kind of just stiffen it up, because obviously it's not got a roof. It's pretty awesome. It's got loads of scrapes in it because of the bad loads right now. But,
and you're saying the favourite part in your car is your wheels, your front wheels.
The front wheels, they're my pride and joy. I'm going to take them in my grave. Got them for an absolute bargain. Yeah, they're ET13 contours, which I believe they're actually meant to be in the back. And obviously you get like the different offsets on the front and back. It looks badass, so that works for me.
And also means the wheels are offset enough so you get a bit more lock out
a bit more lock,
So on the back we've got a set of 15s, you just run them nice and
they're
punchy little
15 inch, I believe they're BBS reps. I did have 4 of them, now I'm down to 3. After the last drift day I kind of snapped one. No, they're great wheels. A lot of people don't like 15s, but I think they're great fun, Yeah, especially on a day like this. And I can get tyres for like next to nothing, so. Yeah,
you can spin them up really easy.
That's exactly it. And you don't need mad power to have a lot of fun.
Magic. Now you've also got like you also still got the front interior in, don't you?
I have carpet, which is a novelty for my drift car anyway.
It shouldn't be a novelty.
It shouldn't be.
It's kind of quite nice in here, isn't it?
I did have a centre console here, but obviously it was cut for the OBP handbrake and stuff.
Stereo as well for some tunes.
I got the banging tunes. I've only got the 2TV speakers there, and I think I've still got the ones
they are like 50 pences.
I've still got the ones in the rear parcel shelf right enough, which I've not got a parcel shelf, but I've got the speakers that are meant to be there. They're still there. Not comfortable in the slightest, but
it's not important, really.
It's not really important, no.
If you're having fun, that's all.
That's exactly it, man. Yeah.
Right, well, I think there's nothing left to do but take it out for a spin.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah, do it, man.
Right, let's go. Right.
Let's do it, man.
Should we do this?
Let's do it.
Love that shifter. Just in. A wee bit little skip from from the what do you call it there? The exhaust. You do need third, don't you?
Oh yeah.
What depth has it got?
Pass.
Oh, missed that. Yeah, it's kind of like it needs a little bit, like you've got to jump up to third there. They're sitting on the limiter there.
Because it's not got a race limiter, so.
Oh, right. Just like trying to keep it off the limiter, just like flipping the throttle a wee bit just to get through. But it's almost like I need to try to get up to third, but I don't know if it had the legs for it. Let's see. Steering's lovely, really nice. just kind of runs out of what do you call legs there in third. It's just a little bit.
Yeah.
Don't know. It just needs a few more PS. Well, there's also be the perfect line. We'll hook up third, but maybe just a tiny bit more PSI would just make it a little. It'd make it easier. It's my fault, it's not your fault. Damn it! It's having to go for that third.
I know, just push you off.
Doesn't love it. And I think we've done her. I think that's it. Yeah, mate, she's great. Great wee thing. Just a perfect little package and really nice, just like a hands-on car, really nice and hands-on. So yeah, absolutely fantastic.
Yeah, man.
Thanks so much for bringing her along.
Glad you enjoyed it, man.
Right, guys. So guys, this was the last episode in our first season of Drift My Ride. We did about 45 cars, I think, all the way through from Suzuki Caddies to JZX 100s, BDC cars. We're going to be filming over winter. They're not going to be, we're not stopping, but we're going to leave the Drift My Rides for a wee bit, and we'll be back in the spring. If you guys have any cars you'd love to see, please write in the comments below. Any ideas for other things that we should be doing here at Driftland, again, put them in the comments. Thank you for all watching, and we'll see you all soon.